I'm just dressing up, like just putting my buttons. Okay, so hello guys, it's Johnny Manzano here. So today I'll be showing you how to actually create up to 90 seconds or 1 minute and 30 seconds on Reels. Used to be, the options are 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. So I'll just show it to you on the app quickly, okay? Alright, so as I said earlier, I'll show it to you on the Instagram app. So the right top where you can create your post, reel, story, highlight, live, and guide. So we'll go to the reel. So here you can see some options here. Obviously you have audio, length, speed, layout, and timer. So let's just get into it, to the one that I was talking about, which is, we have, as I said earlier, we have 15 seconds, we have 30 seconds, and 60 seconds before. Now after the update, I think it was today or yesterday, just started noticing this. So we have 90 seconds. You can actually capture or record up to 90 seconds, and also you can upload up to 90 seconds, I believe. So I haven't tested it out, but I just want to show it to you quickly and record this very quickly so you can see as it happens, you know. There you have it.